What's up everybody? Thanks for clicking on another video. This one is going to be the install for our Cubic Mini Cub right here. I guess first things first, I'm going to grab everything out of the box. I've already kind of started here with the surround kit. We've also got the sliding tray here. And I'm going to go ahead and get the flue pipe and stuff out right now. So as you can see, I've already got the surround kit out a little bit. I've already started. I guess this is the back mount here. And I've already got the sliding tray out here. I'm going to go ahead and ditch that box and we'll get out the pipes. Nice. So this is the other part to our package that we had been waiting on. If you haven't already clicked on the unboxing video, we did an unboxing video for the actual stove a while back, so you can watch that if you'd like. I'll link that right there. So this is the other half to that package. High temp boot. Hi. There's our 3-inch pipe, and that is dual wall. And we did get a 5-inch pipe. Your mounts for the pipe. There's sections of 5-inch insulated. Neat. Okay, I guess I'm gonna read some instructions and we'll get started. Back to it. First things first here. The Cubic Mini recommends an initial burn to rid the unit of the chemicals that they spray it with, I guess, at the factory. So Jessica's gonna go ahead and light that up and do that. And I'm gonna start making sure that we have everything here and just kind of taking inventory. So that's been burning for a little while. In the meantime, I kind of did some other stuff. Started working on an oil change in the generator. Long story short, I've got to do other things with it. It still won't run. But anyway, I put this thing together, the surround plate. So I think the only thing that I have left to add to it would be the bottom, which is up there next to the buggy. We'll probably just get this guy up tonight, and we'll probably have to come back to the wood burning stove install tomorrow. Hey, all right, my goodness, jeez, good morning. All right, it's a new day. Please don't pay attention to the mess, and don't pay attention to the stain that was behind the Mr. Buddy heater. I'm pointing it out, don't pay attention to it. I'm gonna install our wood burning stove finally today, but I'm making myself a little bit of breakfast. I've got stuff moved away from the countertop so I can go ahead and get this thing started as soon as I get done eating. Let's make it happen. Alright, so forgive the lighting, but I've checked clearances, and up top with the solar panels, between these two studs should be solid for our exit, but I don't want to have to take this thing down to travel. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this side go through stud, and I'm going to let this side just go through plywood. So that'll make things a little bit stronger, and I won't feel so inclined to have to take it down to travel. Okay, a little bit more progress here. I've got the 6 mounting screws in the back here. We've got the 4 up top. and then the two down low. The two down low are holding the back side of the little sliding drawer on. I guess the next step is going to be to put this guy up on the mount and then secure the feet. This part makes me pretty nervous too. Can't really see what I'm doing back there. Just kind of guessing and hoping. Okay. So, man. Alright, I guess now I need to loosen the shrouds up on the sides because I can't get in there to tighten up the bolts on the sides. The good news is these shrouds are super easy to remove if you so set them up that way. I don't think there's like a set of instructions for these. You just kind of put them together. Well, this is garbage. So I'll kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm doing here. This is the back side of the mount, and I'm just tightening this screw up here, turning it in a clockwise motion. This screw up here seats in like a saddle on the mount. Might be easier to see on that side maybe. And that one has to seat in a circle, sealed. This side is gonna be fun to get to because we have pots and pans on this side. I'm not gonna pain you guys with that. I'll be right back. Okay, so there we have it. The stove itself is now installed along with the surround kit. There's the drawer. And it's just got a stopping bolt up here at the top that allows you to install it and uninstall it. All of the legs are secured with a bolt in the bottom and a bolt in the top. Now all that's left is to plumb it with the flue pipe. So what I just did here is I took a 3/8 drill bit and I found center where flue pipe is going to exit, and I took that drill bit and I stuck it up there and drilled all the way through our ceiling material and out the top. So now what I can do is I can take a ruler and a pencil and I can head up this ladder over here, and I can go up there and I can draw myself out a 7-inch hole for this 5-inch pipe. They say 7 inches, not sure why 7 inches, but I'm cool with it. Up here on top, and I think we're all marked out. As you can see, there's my center hole, and I've got 7 inches pretty well traced out here. Everything's performing pretty well up here. I like to check things out every time I get the opportunity to come up here. I guess next step is probably to get up here with a jigsaw, probably with a fine metal bit, and then I might have to finish it up on the inside, maybe with a wood bit. I'm really not thrilled about this. Did I ever tell you guys how much I hate doing this stuff when Jessica's not around? Alright, guess let's do it. I just drilled myself some more relief holes and put that other battery on the charger. Hopefully this one lasts me a little bit. There's the tin, exterior tin, the cardboard or Luan underlayment, and then some Reflectix, and then some regular foam board, and then underneath that would be the tongue and groove. Alright, now it's the battery. You know, I don't want this falling in. That's how that's gonna be. Holy close to that wiring. I knew it was close. Okay, that's a mess. I have a lot of cleaning to do. As you can see, we're all mocked up now. I've got the 3-inch pipe on the top, linked to the 5-inch pipe with the adapter, and I think everything is exactly the way that it should be. Sorry for the little interruption. I got carried away. I had to make Luna's food and do some dishes. Jessica's on her way home. She's got the remaining 3-inch dual wall pipe, and we're gonna get this thing all sealed up and fired up this evening. Whew. All right, we're back. Admittedly, it's been a few days since the completion of the installation of the Cubic Mini, so I'm here to show you the rest of it. So long story short, we completed the installation. You have to feed the 3-inch pipe up inside the 5-inch pipe and seal everything with the rubber boot. Make sure your boot is cut to fit your pipe. So I think that's gonna be it for this one. Thank you guys for sticking it out. I know it was a long one, really appreciate it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're on desktop, do me a favor, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click on Luna's head down in the corner. That'll take care of that for me. If you're not already subscribed and you're on your phone or you're on mobile otherwise, just wait till the end. There'll be a link at the end. You can subscribe there. Also check out our other trailer build videos. This thing is pretty rad. We are living in it full-time. I think full-time videos will be coming soon, as well as a tour. I don't want to show too much right now, but anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.